credit bureau is here. We have RSSB, we have BNR is here, the banks.
Big data can be anything. And to be honest, I don't care anymore. Like I told you earlier, whether you've got 1,000 rows or 1.2 billion, for me, it's a black screen and I type select star from and get the answer. Okay, so big data, don't stop thinking about big data as the end to all. Data is data. There are many types of data which offer distinct research opportunities. So please, it takes a big man to admit his data is small. Okay, so don't think that just because you don't have a multi-billion row like data warehouse, that you don't have the data to change or inform or actually make decisions. I think the second reason why you have a problem with accessing data is because the person or the custodian of the data is a database administrator, okay? So your request is not on his top list. His top list is keep the data safe and keep the machine running. If you're a small organization and you don't have a senior guy that's there in order to vet people, find organizations like us, maybe someone like AFR or the IRS or something, like someone that can connect you to very senior people. So we actually help also place senior data scientists. So we vet them. So we have a technical test that we send out. The candidate has 2 to 3 days to present back to us. If you're hiring technical people, you better test them technically. And also, if they say, I am a R expert, then you better test for that. Then they better be an R expert. And you need to know someone who is that level in order to test.
So what would you advise, especially on country level, continent, about the data governance, if maybe you have any experience or what you can share about the framework that could be in place so that the data that is there can be used according to the aspiration of the individuals, either at country level, continent. Yeah.
Contested topic around the world at the moment is data governance. So, for me personally, I'm against large country centralized servers where data is being dumped for good reason. People don't like it when they find out they'll be getting spied on, whether it's your private organization or whether it's your government. So that it poses a real risk, and one needs to think about it. So for us in South Africa, the custodian remains mostly the statistics office. The statistics office has to some extent a neutral position when it comes to the market. So they're there to only actually provide a view, like maybe an aggregated view or insight, rather than a incentive to change numbers to work in their favor. So statistics departments are usually quite good for this. If you're going to centralize data, anonymization is priority number one. Data security, priority number one. Before you even think about putting data in, it's thinking about your security protocols, how are people going to access, who you're going to give access, and how you're going to anonymize data.
This is the first of so many to come. And really, I think next time we want to probably have kind of quick survey and ask to understand which topics would be of your interest for the next one.